Creating an artistic photo in the 80s is very simple, only with the gradient map tool in Photoshop. First, we created a background like this, consists of two different color boxes, one blue and one red. We use Ctrl E to merge into one layer. Then quickly select the selection. Use mask to separate objects. Fill the object with color. Do you think how to make your color transition more professional? Use the gradient map as above. I'm really not good at Photoshop skills, but trying to study every day. So if you think it's useful, please support me with a like. Click on Filter, select Pixelate Halftone. Adjust the parameter. Okay, that's it. Select the color mode again. For further editing, you can create a mask. Ctrl I. You press for further adjustments. To give the photo more depth, you go to Solid, select Level, edit and get more creative that you want. In my opinion, I find Photoshop very attractive, so we learn more about the gradient tool, right? You can apply the above method to create as many classic color photos, posters, and so on. Every day learn something new. Today will be better than yesterday. I'm Molly. Goodbye and see you soon.